What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for this atrocious lighting in this very short intro. My battery is about to die. I need to go to work. And if you want to see how I get this look and get ready with me for today, then just keep watching. What's up guys? So I just wanted to come on here and show you some new products I've been loving, some new ways I've been doing my makeup. I have a new camera, I have a new mic. I am just feeling the newness. So first I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Festival Refresh. I have been loving this just as a starter. I don't like putting it on after my makeup. And it smells like candy. It smells so good. I'm so sorry for the spots of like stuff. I'm trying to hide behind a tree right now. But then I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Radiance Primer. You guys might have seen this. I got it as a free gift for becoming a Diamond member. And update, I freaking love it. Go in with my fingers and just rub it in. I didn't bring my mirror out here. I can't do my makeup in the viewfinder. Okay, now that I have a mirror and lash glue that I forgot, we can continue. Next, I'm going to go in with the best foundation I have found thus far. It's the LA Girl Pro Matte. So I'm just going to put 3 pumps of that onto my beauty sponge. This is the Morphe one. I love it. And I know it's a little bit too orange for my face, but it matches my body just fine. So next I am going to go in with my Holy Grail Concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. Now that that is done, I'm going to go in with the new Pure Translucent Setting Powder. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it comes in this little, like, you just twist off the top and then it comes with a sponge. Oh, my face itches. But I'm not going to actually use this sponge just because it freaks me out, the idea of just like putting it on your face and sticking it back in. Like, I don't like it. But I'm going to just shake this powder out and use it with a brush. So I just went in with a little bit of setting powder. I used to use a lot, but flashback always scares me, and I am pretty sure that this one doesn't have flashback. I've been told it doesn't, but I've been told that by a lot of, what's the word? Setting powders, and it hasn't been the case. So I'm just going with a super light hand and just set my concealer so it doesn't crease a lot. And now I'm going in with this Anastasia contour stick. It's the Mink stick foundation for contour in the shade Mink. I think that's how you read it. Or it's in the shade Contour and it's called the Mink Stick Foundation. One of the two. So to blend cream contour, I prefer to use a stippling brush. This is just the e.l.f. stippling brush. It works great. And just to blend that away in little circles. And then specifically for my nose contour, I go in with a smaller, denser brush. It's just easier to get like the preciseness of the nose instead of using this that's more round and circular. You feel? And now to set that contour, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I haven't changed up on this. Comment down below if you guys prefer to do eyes or face, because I absolutely love the face. Like, I could go with full beat to the sun contour, bronzer, highlight, everything on my face, and then throw some lashes on and go and not do my eyes. But then some people just love, like my friend Kara, she just loves doing the eyes and she doesn't even wear foundation or anything on her face. I feel like it's so different for like different people.
Let's play.
So comment down below and let me know what you guys prefer. And I'm just going in with that same brush that I contoured my nose with the cream contour, and then just sticking it right in the powder. And now for bronzer. I'm so excited to put on bronzer with this nice clean bronzing brush. The past like 2 weeks, my bronzer has just been so like muddy and it did not look good because I didn't ever clean my brush, and I had used this brush for like 4 different contour shades and bronzer shades, and it was a bad time. Oh, this brush is so soft. So now I'm going to go in and prime my eyelids. I use the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish primer. This has not changed. Holy grail. I love it. I have not found anything better. If you can get away with just setting your eyelids with concealer, I envy you. Because that just doesn't work for me. I need something. I have super oily eyelids. It's a creasy mess if I do not set them. And this is the only one that has ever worked for me. I've tried like 4 different ones. This is the first one I found that actually works. So I'm gonna go in with the same setting powder that I used on my face, the pure one. And just set that. So for the face, I am going to be using the new, can't remember what it's called, Babe in Paradise palette from Morphe and Bretman Rock. I am absolutely in love with this palette. I go in with the same brush that I use for my bronzer, tap it into the deepest shade, and just brush it a little bit, just for an all-over glow. I'm gonna take a blush brush and I go in with the blush topper shade, and just put that where I would put blush. And it just acts as a little bit of color because I'm not really a fan of blush. So it just gives a nice little sheen and a little bit of color. Then I'm going to go in with Get Laid. It's my favorite shade in here. It is so beautiful. I love it. And put that on all the high points where you normally highlight. Like, just look at that. Do you see that? Like, and I did that with my big fan brush. And now I'm going to go in with the little one and go in with these 2 shades and mix them together a little bit with a little bit more of the one in the center. Just put that right on the very high points. And now I'm going to go in and do my brows. But I'm going to be going in with my Jaclyn palette. Since it is so bright out, you can't tell that it's dirty. Ah! Maybe you can tell in here that it's dirty. But I'm so excited to go in with these colors. I absolutely love them. I'm going to stick over to this side. So I'm going to take my M441 and I'm going to go in with shade. I'm going with Silk Cream. Just basically use a shade that's the same color as your skin or close to it. And then just put that all over the lid. The lid, Patrick, the lid. Now I'm gonna go in with my M433 and then use a color just a little bit deeper than that. And I'm just gonna be layering a little bit deeper, and go with the brushes bigger to smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, if that makes sense. And then the area on my lid is going to go wider and then smaller and smaller as to where I place the shadow on my lid. going to go back into the Babe in Paradise and put this one in the middle and a little bit of this white one and get that as a brow highlight. And now in, oh my god, the sun. Okay, I'm gonna hide down here. And then I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade in the Babe in Paradise palette and put that in my inner corner. Now take whatever brush you use. Do I really need to hide down here for this to like be okay? So go in with whatever brush you used to set your face and then just wipe away any fallout that might have occurred. I don't even think I have fallout, but that's what you do if you have fallout. And now, before mascara or eyeliner, set your face. Took me a while to like get used to doing that because I always forget. But I'm just using the e.l.f. makeup set, misting set. This stuff, $3, works super well. Now I'm going to go in and just do my eyeliner and mascara. I'm going to use the NYX eyeliner. Haven't found anything better than it. And then I'm going to be using the Lashtopia Mega Volume Mineral Base Mascara from Bare Minerals. So this stuff apparently has a bunch of good stuff in it to help your lashes grow longer. So why not? My eyeliner is looking real questionable today, but that's fine. It's all good. Now I'm gonna leave my eyes like this so I don't get that stupid like thing. But while I'm doing this, let me zoom you guys in and show you this is what my makeup's looking like. And I would normally go in and tight line, but I forgot it inside. I don't feel like going inside to get it, so I'm not gonna. And I'm going to go in with my new lashes. These are from Lash Me Up. I will leave their at down below since you can't really read this. I'm just going to be using my, dropped the brush, my velour lash glue. Now, my battery is blinking. It's about to die. I'm so sorry if this cuts off. But for lipstick, as I drop things, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Starfish and then put Anastasia Naked in the middle in the center and buck some lip topper thing on top. And this is the final look. I'm gonna do something with this hair. I don't know what yet. But my battery is about to die. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next week. I love you guys. Bye!